Good meat. Dude, how is this guy still alive? Need more stamina. One's on fuse, two of them. Nice, good job. No, come back, Maria. Don't be a pussy. Alright, Maria went down the fuse. How did they get both of my traps done? That's weird. Or how did they get both the traps done? There must be a duo. Well, now this Maria doesn't have her duo. So GG, I guess. Oh, they got a gas station open? Wyatt's on battery. I'm chasing him. Nice. I shouldn't even go through the crawl space. Dude, how much health does this motherfucker have? Holy shit. Alright, Wyatt went down into the basement. He's in cap down there. There's no Marconi either, right? Okay. Nice, good job. all we got is that Wyatt left. I'm turning battery back on. Yeah. Oh, this takes forever. What the hell? Oh, nice. GG. Damn, GG. Easy. That's always good playing Family House too. At least have a better fighting chance. I mean, they could still rush, but typically they, even if they rush, they have to be like a good coordinated 4-man to be able to get out of Family House well. So, yeah. Feels good to get my revenge on that Maria though. I will say though, she is a good, I could tell she's a good player, but she's also like duo queuing or 3-manning all the time. So that definitely helps. Like the game gets a lot easier. Like I was playing duo yesterday and it was like there were definitely some games where it was like really easy, but then when I had a 3-man, like we were pretty much winning every single, like getting 4Ks every single time as a 3-man. So, which granted the victims weren't always the best players, but when you have a good Bubba on your team, the pressure from the basement makes it really hard for the victims to even get a door unlocked. And then even when they do, by the time they do, they already have 2 of their teammates dead. So that makes it a lot easier to win. But nice, the cook's collecting blood, that's good. This cook seems pretty decent too. Yeah, I kind of noticed on the weekends, it seems like you get more more family that know what they're doing, because they probably have been working all week and then they just want to enjoy, you know, like maybe like 3 or 4 hours on a Saturday or Sunday playing some TCM, or well, they want a game but they choose to play TCM, you know. So oh, Leyland's on the, yep, Leyland's on cook. He just barged me and he's fighting. He should be dead here, right? No way. Alright, he's dying, nice. Alright, we got the Leyland. We need to check the locks and the traps and all that. Our Leatherface, are you still in the basement? I think we need you upstairs. They're already coming out. Motorboat. Yeah, you like that motorboat? Like that motorboat, bro? Okay, looks like everything's good. So, okay, you got the Connie, that's good. Okay, so I think that Danny and the Wyatt are new. They don't really know what they're doing, so you could maybe go back to the basement now. Sorry, like told you to come up, but I didn't realize you killed the Connie. He barged this door. I mean, these people are new players, so yeah, the Danny and Wyatt have like nothing done, so we probably got to chase them out of the basement. Come here, Danny boy. Alright, I got the Danny. Yeah, they have no idea what they're doing. Motorboat. Yeah, motorboat. Alright, where the fuck is this Wyatt at? Is this Danny, Leyland, and Wyatt a 3-man? Ooh, we got level 3. We don't have exterior alarms though. That is a question mark, my boy. Cook, what you doing, bro? Why don't you got exterior alarms? Alright, she got some points, it looks like. I don't really need to shut this because we don't even have freaking exterior alarms. I could shut it probably just to keep him in here for a second, but I got this middle door open too. Oh, I get some blood maybe? 425. She got 100 points. I don't know where all the blood buckets are in the basement. Oh, he's behind. He's running out to the side garden. He's probably gonna go down the well. Did he go down the well? No? Okay, he's still up there. Alright, I'll go back up. Is he still over here? Where the fuck do you go, dude? This is so annoying without mics. Alright, probably just gotta get Grandpa to 5 then. They didn't go down the well? That's weird. Maybe they, left front door, yeah. He's front door. Gonna probably jump out the window. Yeah, jumped out the window. You're gonna eat that trap, baby. When Halloween came out or something, that they were kind of just gonna like dwindle this off, but if they're gonna keep the servers on for as long as possible, then this game probably won't die for a really long time, because even though the player base is really small, there's still enough people like playing it. You know what I mean? I mean, it might not be always playable, like the queue times will probably still be ass, but I mean, they're already ass, right? I mean, they're not bad right now, like on the weekend, but my point is that I think that this game actually will stay around for a while, because there are a lot of like dedicated players. But my thing is though, is I kind of wish that they didn't give up on it. Oh nice, he got a kill on the Virginia. That's really good. That's what I'm talking about, like with a good Bubba in the basement. Like if they can get a kill early, it's like it makes a huge difference, like a really big difference. Okay, we probably need to check gas station side. So I probably gotta watch generator side. Oops. And then just kind of peek at my traps, I guess. Oh, one's running by left gen. Oh yeah. There's two of them. Oh wait, my fucking mic's off. What the fuck is the teleporting on this guy? Danny's running through the middle of the map. He went through their crawl space. Yeah, we probably need to watch Jen's side because I have my traps on the other side. I think they're getting bone scraps. Stab Grandpa and take out my traps. Are you guys sweaty? Are you sweating? Yeah, this Leatherface is so fast. They might have... Oh my god, I'm getting stuck in their crawl space. Nice game, by the way. They might have left battery down. No, they don't. It's good. Okay. It's hard to see with this graphics and details. Oh, they're doing pressure valve? Nice. Alright, I'm gonna go battery side. They're on fuse. They got my trap done. They're also on left battery. Really, bro? I can't swing there? You're fucking kidding me. Nice. Sunny's by the ladder exit in the middle. I need to go redo my trap real quick on the fuse. Can you watch the left battery real quick? I'm gonna try to guard guard battery. Is anyone watching it? Okay, he's watching it. Okay, I got battery now. No pressure valve. These guys are sweaty. Sweaty. Maybe we can outdo the sweat, bro. I must be sweatier. I must. Little catch him. Yeah, this is what I didn't do yesterday, drop back. I mean, I was playing Cook, but yeah, I should have dropped back on battery. You have to kind of drop back. Trap is still good. We also have to watch fuse because they already have the fuse in there. That's kind of unfortunate. I actually should have double trapped fuse. Shit. Yeah, actually that was a misplay. I should have double trapped it. I mean, yeah, because if I'm over here... Yeah, that was a misplay. Shit, that's a lot of time I just wasted. Wish my teammates had mics. This would be way easier so I could know that they're over there or not. Like, oh hey, they're on generator again, or fuse again, or whatever. Well, I basically have to hope that they are not on battery side right now. Can someone watch battery real quick? I'm gonna set on another trap over here. I don't know if this will actually be a double trap, but I'm gonna try anyways. Okay, I'm heading back to battery. Right, thank you. Well, at least they're listening, that's good. At least they kind of understand what I'm saying. I have so many teams that like don't understand what I'm saying or don't listen or something. I don't know. But yeah, the unfortunate thing is I think I pretty much just have to sit here. I mean, my Bubba seems pretty good and my Johnny seems alert, so I should be able to do this. The only thing is I think they might get Gen side. But the Leatherface seems to be patrolling it back and forth pretty good. Yeah, they're grabbing a tool. They're grabbing a tool also, so they're probably... The thing is, that's nice, they don't have a Wyatt, so they can't just like throw the... So this trap actually would maybe be kind of bad if they had a Wyatt. But yeah, so now this is the part where it gets kind of boring, because like now I like literally just have to sit over here. Because if I leave over here, they're probably instantly coming over, because they're probably stream sniping first off, but also like if they're really good and sneaky, they might be sitting in a bush like watching the gate. So then as soon as you go out, they'll like see you leave, and they'll just go in. So, and the Johnny can like roam and patrol and stuff and try to find footsteps. That is the thing that's kind of good about Johnny, is when you get to the last like victim, you can find their footprints. But the thing is, like, if they don't move out of the basement or they're not really roaming, then like you're not gonna find their footprints, right? Because they're just fucking crouching in the basement. So I mean, either way, we should like get a 4K here. But yeah, I need to for a second. Let's see, 25 probably.
Leland's in Grandpa's shed.
They do have a mic. Nice. They're probably distracting to open generator side. Unless they're both there. I do need a watch to see if one of them does come over here. They could actually, I think they technically could bum rush me. That actually would be, I don't know if they're smart enough to do that, but if I'm not paying attention, they could probably technically bum rush me. And then it would just be if Leatherface gets over here quick enough, which I think he probably could, because Leatherface is really fast because he has scout, but he's also like kind of on it. Like he seems pretty aware. So, that I mean, it technically probably wouldn't work, but what they could do is send one over here, distract me, get Leatherface to come over here, and then try to do Gen side. But I mean, if like Johnny's watching Gen side, then they would have to try something else. I think they're trying to do fuse. Okay, they saw that I think they saw that I had 2 traps, and they started grabbing a bone scrap. They got triggered by the double trap. Good times, bro. Good times. Double trapping the fucking fuse, bro. Where's our Leatherface at? Oh, nice. Nice, good job. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. I just have Sunny. And of course he rage quits. GG. Ah, ha, ha, ha. GG. GG easy. Yeah, easy game. Easy, easy.